I am trying a bit of a different setup. So like my canvas is closer to me, so I'm not like reaching halfway across my table, which is nice. Just move that out of the way for now. Please. I'm going to add silicone to 3 colors because I have 5. You know what? Changed my mind. I'm only going to add it to 2. And I am going to add it to the Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. I'm smart this time. I didn't put gloves on. I think I'm also going to add it to neon pink because it's so bright. I think it'll look cool when it comes up with silicone. There. It's putting an odd smell out. There. Clean that up a bit. So I'll move these out of the way for now. Somehow got magenta on that. Okay. Put those like that. I'm going to take the stir sticks off these ones because I've already mixed them, as you can see. Stick them off to the side. So that is Artist's Loft Light Magenta. This is Folk Art 14 Karat Gold. And this is Winsor & Newton Crimson. This is a paint I actually got today. It's dark. I like it. It's very vibrant red. Exactly what I was going for. So, now that I've put on my silicone oil, 1, 2, 2. Silicone oil in my dry rat's nest because I still haven't had the opportunity to get it cut. Yay, COVID. So I find that having thicker paints like this actually has helped my cell formation stay together, which is really cool. So I have a good mix of darks and lights, so I will start with the pretty red. Now I'll do gold because it's a good like mix. Now I'll add this magenta, the other magenta. I'm getting progressively lighter. It's kind of cool. I'll add that. Add the gold again before I go and add a little bit of red. I don't know if this is going to be too soon, but whatever. We'll figure it out. A little bit of pink. A little bit of the darker pink. Ooh, there's a little clumpy. Whoops. Woo! And then a little bit of this. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Why not? So this painting that I'm working on right now is for a friend of mine from high school named Stephanie. Stephanie has been, like I said, she's been a friend of mine since I've been in over a decade now, because I met her when I was 14 and I'm now 25, almost 26. So Steph has been a good friend for a very long time. She's a mom of 3 boys, so she really deserves a painting because this poor girl is like trying not to pull out her hair because, well, being a mom of 3 boys, all under the age of like 6, must be kind of hectic. Like that would, whew, don't even want to like. But yes, Stephanie's been a good friend of mine for a very long time, so I find that she's extremely deserving of a painting. Just trying to move stuff out of the way. So, oh, before I get too, actually, you know what? I'll flip this first. Oh, okay. I'm gonna wipe up the side of my cup first, and then I will flip it. And then while it's flipping, I can show you guys stuffs that I've done. There we go. Canvas flipped. So, this is how the green pour turned out. I wanted to leave it like that, remember? Yeah. There. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that's how the green one came out for Devin. I'm just waiting for it to dry and cure a little bit more so I can finish it. I don't know why. Okay. And then this is how the blue and green one dried down. Dried a little dark. Not too upset about it. I think it should come back to life once I do a little bit to it, but no big deal. It looks nice. Whew. I know you can hear me flip-flopping around and stuffs. So, I have gloves now. So yeah, that was a little bit of a show and tell. Having glove issues, of course. So this is my Artist Loft Titanium White. This is the color I'm going to be using as a base color today because, well, I want it to be very, very vibrant as much as possible. I have no idea if I'm going to lip it yet, so we'll figure that out when we get there. I realize I don't need to cover the entire canvas. I only need to really put some around, but I prefer to cover the entire canvas because then I have more of a safe bet of knowing what is going on. So, like I said, I'm almost 26. My birthday is actually on August 11th because I know the 11th will be coming up shortly. Not trying to be like, hey, it's my birthday, but honestly, I like doing stuff for others, so making art for people and giving it away in the month of August is kind of so perfect because, like, it just shows how much I am trying to be, I guess, better, but yeah. So, now that I have my white base down, I still had blue on here, whatever. It must be because I have paint like everywhere, but okay. Even got paint on my gloves and I haven't even tilted yet. Nah. I do have my torch at the ready, so I'll probably wait though. Ooh! I don't want to touch that. That's so pretty. Let's see what I can get in the corners here. Maybe around the edges too, because, like, oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, but I'm totally gonna wait to torch this to see what. Oh, but there's so many air bubbles. Oh. What do I don't know what to do. Okay. Maybe they'll pop as I go. So, ooh, don't lose that though. Wow, this is cool. So far. Wow, that's a chunk and a half. That'll just blend in. Sorry, Steffi. At least I got it out. Yeah, so I'm kind of happy I waited to torch this because this is neat so far. I didn't get that corner. Oh well. I don't want to... Okay, I see how this is gonna go. And because of how this is turning out so far, kind of want to go like that. And tilt it back this way. Get it off. And like that. Ooh, that's cold. Got some paint on my arm. I'm just trying to stretch it out and get some off the edges as much as I can. There we go. Cool. Wow, that is so pink and so pretty and so just... Wow, and I haven't even torched it yet. I like the way that the layers still stayed kind of intact. I painted myself real good. I didn't paint my clothes though, so I painted myself more. Ooh, I am having fun today. Okay. Because not all the silicones popped up, and I can tell. Let's torch this. Do something, please. Are there even anything coming out? Wow, that's so cool though. I guess there are some cells that are popping up, it's just hard to tell. Oh, there they are. They're starting. Just taking a little bit more heat than I thought. Trying not to burn my painting either, so. Also, when I was trying to get ready for this painting, kind of have the heebie-jeebies now because I saw this massive brown spider running across the floor and I'm like, oh, I tried to stomp on him and he wouldn't die and now he's hiding in the corner and he can stay over there because, spider. I'm pretty okay with spiders normally, but he was just gross looking and I don't care if I made it rain. Oh, but I was just spider. Bleh. Anyways, he will get you down for a close-up because this is actually really nice now that it's celled out a little bit more. Instead of starting at the bottom like I normally do, I figured I would start near the top. I can feel the heat coming off my painting. It's so funny. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below. Stephanie, you picked pink and I'm so proud and I'm so happy you did. Like, oh, this is awesome. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. And subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you all next time.